Hey everyone, ever wondered what all those SMART values in CrystalDiskInfo actually mean? SMART, which stands for Self-Monitoring, Analysis, and Reporting Technology, helps your SSD or hard drive report its health and detect potential hardware problems before they become serious. In this full guide, I'll show you exactly how to read SMART data in CrystalDiskInfo step by step. So let's get started. First, launch CrystalDiskInfo from the Start menu or your desktop shortcut. The program will automatically detect all supported storage devices connected to your computer. If you have multiple storage devices, choose the SSD or hard drive you want to inspect. CrystalDiskInfo displays SMART information for one drive at a time. Before reviewing the SMART values, look at the health status shown near the top of the window. Labels like good, caution, and bad summarize the overall condition of the drive based on SMART information. Now scroll down to the SMART attributes table. Each row represents a different diagnostic value reported by your storage device. Common entries include power on hours, power cycle count, reallocated sectors count, current pending sector count, uncorrectable sector count, and for many SSDs, percentage used or remaining life. Pay attention to both the normalized values and the raw values. The raw values often contain the actual counts recorded by the drive, while the normalized values help determine whether an attribute is still within the manufacturer's acceptable range. If you notice increasing reallocated sectors, pending sectors, uncorrectable errors, or if the health status changes to caution or bad, back up your important files as soon as possible. These indicators can suggest that the drive is developing hardware problems, and that's how to read SMART data in CrystalDiskInfo. Understanding these values can help you monitor your drive's condition, recognize early warning signs, and protect your data before hardware failures occur. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.